I just made this for my just to test out learning how to use Adobe Illustrator. It's pretty cool. It was really, really easy to make. So let me do effect. I want to see. Okay, what is this? Oh, huh. Pretty interesting. So effect, I want to go to, oh, you can't see that part of the window. Wow, that's all I needed to do. That's all I needed to do to reframe, resize that frame. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, so object or effect, blur, radial blur. Whoa, that's cool. See? So all those people that are making these posters that people love on Instagram, these poster making pages that have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of followers, and they just do cool little messages. That's how simple it is to make these. Um, I didn't even go into doing this, but let me see. So let me create a new artboard. Okay, new artboard. Okay, so all I did to create this was I went like this. Text, of course it doesn't want to work. Oh, that's why. Gotta create a new layer first. So then studio. And to do this, all I had to do was, whoops, okay. All I had to do was flip this to, what is it called? Oh, okay, yeah. So all I had to do was that, and then, yeah, no fill. Okay, cool. And then flip these. Okay, perfect. So all I did was, there's a bunch of cool things you could do. So let's see, let's do 150. Let's do also for this 1K, and then all I did was whoops. The tutorial I followed, they just called it future proof. Those were the two words they used. I'm just gonna do my website name. By the way, I have tons of domain names. I went crazy on buying domain names, so don't recommend doing what I did. Very bad idea. Okay. And then all I think they did was select all and then group. And what did they do? So they went to effect. Yeah, I think they just went to effect and they went to transform effect. And then I forget what they did here. Oh no, they didn't do anything there. Oh, wait, they might have done something else before that. And then you can go to the properties or appearance. Transform. Okay, so let's go to this one, this property layer, group one, appearance. No, 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 no. This is where kind of okay. Don't know how to see. Maybe if I go like that. Oh, okay. So I was in the wrong layer. Yeah, so hold on. Let me pause. I can't pause recording. I don't know why I can't pause recording. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. Shouldn't be hard to do. So all they did was they went to there, there, and there, and then I could expand the spacing between the text. These Adobe Illustrator tutorials piss me off. And then your mouse movement is slow. Oh, they went negative. Okay, so of course. See, I want to make tutorials that are much better than this. I know you can't see it. I'll probably like bring it back on afterwards. Oh, that's what I was doing wrong. I didn't add the copies. That's all I did wrong. Transform copies 30. There we go. And then they went negative. Yeah, okay. That's all they did. That's all they did. Okay. That was not so hard. I just wasn't reading everything on the page. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, and then the other thing you got to do is the fill color has to be white. Okay. So that way it gets filled in. And then bam, there you go. And then if you want to twist it, you go to appearance, transform, and then rotate it like 5 degrees. Or I think they did like 8. So let's make more copies. Let's make like 40. Let's make like 50. And then, whoa. Oh, that looks cool. That's a good like coloring book. That's cool. Okay, so I wish they need better controls for this. 'Cause right now it's like, there we go. So that's pretty cool, right? And then to color it, go to colors. Okay, so all you have to do to color things, you just select the swatch and then, so all I would have to do is have like multiple windows here so I could, or multiple source views, so I could have like each part of the screen on the same thing. That would be pretty cool. So then I just select this and then bam, graphic design hero. That's me. I'm a graphic designer. You know what I mean. Okay, that's all. Bye. Thank you for watching.